Hello you guys, next puzzle, and it is from Corner Piece, 1000 pieces, and this one is called Sights of Venice. Yeah, the colors, they do look nice. I think I like the style of it, the art style, so that's not a problem this time. I don't know if it was painted or if it's computer generated or something, but the style is like it's everywhere, it's not mixed up, so I think that's nice. Yes, Corner Piece, yeah, they tend to have okay quality, so it's not like the best quality from all, but it's not bad either, so I'm curious about that one. So let's do it. So, and as it is, unfortunately, a lot of footage went missing, so I don't have the outro for this puzzle. But you saw the time lapse, and I can show you a picture of how the puzzle looks when it's done. It was nice, it was fun, but yeah, I lost a lot of footage, so that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, although there wasn't an outro, a proper one, I hope you hit the like button if you liked it anyways. Consider to subscribe, and then we can see you on the next one. Bye bye!